Hey fam, welcome back. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing my January 2020 Allure Beauty Box. So if you're interested in seeing what I got this month, go ahead and stay tuned. We're going to get into it right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these products. So as always, we have our little magazine that explains the products. So I'm excited with at least one of these products so far. And that is this Tarte mascara. This is the High Performance Natural. This is in the shade Gifted. It's their Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. I don't know what Smart Mascara means, but I've heard such good things about the Tarte mascara. I do have their Lights Camera Lashes, which I believe was the variation this month with this one. So I'm glad that I got one I haven't tried yet, though I haven't tried that one either, but one I didn't already have. But I want to find out what's smart about this mascara. It says it coats and lengthens lashes without making them droop. It looks like this Allure editor saw a difference in one coat. It gives you more so length and just a little bit of volume. It doesn't give you a ton of volume. And apparently it's in a wooden tube, which is pretty interesting. I actually do need help with length and volume, so I'm not sure if this will be like my favorite mascara, but I can see it working really nicely for the lower lash line. The next product I see is from Philosophy. This is Renewed Hope in a Jar, and it's a water cream to live with optimism and renew with hope. It's a hyaluronic glow moisturizer. So I like the idea that it's hyaluronic acid. That is a product that helps your skin retain moisture, and I like that it's a glow formula because I do have dry skin, especially in the winter time, and I think this product might help me. So I have an itty bitty little tube. It is really, really tiny, but I'm excited to try it. If I try it and I like it, I can always get the full size. Next, we have a product from Somerville, which is really exciting. This is their Exfolikate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So I definitely love exfoliating. It is something I do a few times a week. I don't want to do it every day. It can be hard on your skin, but this is another small tube. It says Hollywood's 2-minute facial. Kate's best-selling exfoliator is infused with scrubbing exfoliants and fruit enzymes to reveal a smoother, brighter, healthier looking complexion after just one use. So I am excited to try this. I absolutely have dullness in my skin, discoloration, hyperpigmentation. So this might be a product that will really help me with some of my skincare concerns. The next product is from Vitabrid C12. This is the Dual Drop Serum, Anti-Aging and Deep Hydration. So it sounds like Allure has my number this month because these are definitely some of my skincare concerns. Obviously, anti-aging is a huge concern for me, as well as hydration, since y'all know I have very dehydrated skin. I have been trying to do a lot better with my water, but I still could do a lot better. Absolutely, I think having hydrating products, especially this time of year, is really gonna help me. So this is a serum that comes in a little dropper, which is kind of cool. It's got like little, what looks like little bubbles inside. They might be like product beads. I'm not sure, it could just be air, but I have a feeling it's little beads. We'll see though, that's pretty cute. Next, I have a product for hair. This is the Perfect Shine Oil Mist, Color and Heat Protectant. So this is absolutely a product I'm very excited about. I love using oils in my hair. My hair is super dry. I usually use like argan oil products, but this one is supposed to help protect with heat. I did actually take the time to curl my hair today. Y'all are like, where's all your frizz? And I'm like, right? You know, I miss her too. I miss all the frizz going on I usually have. This would have been great to try before I did curl my hair, since it does help to protect your hair from heat products. I do tend to not use heat on my hair too often just because I have had damaged hair for a very long time. It's always been dry and I am trying to take better care of it. So I just let it air dry most of the time, or I'll put it in a braid or a bun and let it dry that way so it doesn't turn into a giant poof like it does if I just like kind of let it hang and dry. I'm excited to try this for the next time that I try to dry my hair or curl it. I think this will be a great little product to add some shine. Last product I'm also very excited about. So this is by the brand Akar. So I recently decluttered a product that I had from them. It was a serum, and not because I didn't like it. I had too much stuff. I hadn't gotten a chance to try it yet, so I figured let me just pass it along to someone who can use it, who's not going to be overwhelmed by the amount of products they have and who will truly appreciate it. This is another product by them, and this is a Pure Lip Restoration. I'm overjoyed because my lips are dry as, let's say it together, the Sahara Desert. It's a real problem. I have such dry lips. So I love the Kathy H2O Plumping Gloss. I've already gone through a tube of that. I'm on my second tube. I have a third backup tube. The H2O Plumping Gloss from Kathy is a miracle product in my eyes, but it is a huge responsibility on one product to try to take care of these lips. So I'm really excited to have another hydrating, moisturizing lip product to try and try and try to get some hydration to these lips. So that's everything that we got in our box this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'd love to know which products you might be interested in or what you're thinking of the Allure Beauty Box subscription. I find it really fun. I like that the The size of the products, y'all saw my collection of skincare if you watched my declutter video. I don't have a lot of space, so the fact that these are smaller products, I'm able to try them, I can get through them and get them back out of my collection so that they don't overwhelm me and clutter everything up. I really like that these products are hand-picked by beauty experts. I love that they come recommended from Allure. And I love that it's just always a variety. I never know what to expect or what's coming, and it's always a fun little surprise. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Till the next one, bye.